Welcome to this video about the coniferous forest biome. Coniferous forests are located south of the Arctic tundra, stretching across North America and Eurasia. The largest stretch, called the taiga, circles the northern hemisphere and provides most of the world's commercial softwood timber for paper. The climate features long, cold winters with extreme temperatures and short summers, resulting in a brief growing season. Precipitation is low, and winter snowfall only melts in the spring. Coniferous trees are adapted to the cold. They are tall and narrow, allowing snow to slide off the branches. They grow close for wind protection and have thick bark to resist low-heat summer fires. Coniferous trees, like pine and fir, produce seeds in cones. Their shallow, widespread roots take advantage of moisture in the occasionally thawed upper ground. Pine needles are an important adaptation, containing little sap to prevent freezing. Their dark color helps absorb light. This biome is home to various plant life, including mushrooms, ferns, and different tree species like balsam and giant redwood, as well as flowers such as columbine and fireweed. Animals like the bald eagle, moose, Kermode bear, and Siberian tiger live in this biome, alongside creatures such as the garfalcon, monarch butterfly, Rocky Mountain bighorn sheep, eastern milk snake, Reeves muntjac, and tassel-eared squirrel. Coniferous forests are highly productive. Many are commercially managed, providing tall, straight softwood planks for construction and wood pulp for the paper industry. To recap, we've discussed the location and climate of the coniferous forest biome and tree adaptations. Think about where the biome is found, winter temperatures, the growing season, and how trees and animals are adapted to the cold. Now, let's consider the threats facing the coniferous forests. Logging is the primary threat. Replanting with only one tree species creates monocultures and reduces biodiversity. Deforestation causes soil erosion and destroys habitats. Land clearing for development like ski slopes and housing also threatens the forests. In Canada, the rate of deforestation is significant, with 1 acre of forest being cut every 12.9 seconds. Mining operations pose a threat due to the chemicals used in the process and the silt released by mining, which can harm the environment. Road construction destroys forests and creates barriers to wildlife. Roads isolate populations, limiting access to feeding grounds and migration routes, which restricts breeding and limits the gene pool. As the global population grows and people move from cities to suburbs, increasing amounts of forest are lost to urbanization. The possibility of extensive oil exploration, drilling, and piping looms like a dark cloud on the coniferous forest's horizon. Since the mid-1800s, about 320 billion tons of carbon have been pumped into the atmosphere from fossil fuels. Forest destruction increases carbon dioxide concentration by about 25%. Doubling CO2 could increase Earth's temperature by about 3 degrees Celsius by the end of the next century. Rain in many areas has become more acidic due to pollutants from coal burning, power plants, and factories. The resulting acid rain causes trees to die, leaving them as gray skeletons against the sky. What can you do to help protect the forests? Logging should be banned and replaced with eco-forestry methods like selective logging. Decrease fossil fuel use by turning down your thermostat and using warmer clothes. Also, use public transport more often. Lessen the demand for paper products by reusing and recycling. Reduce car exhaust, a major source of acid rain, by driving less. Be careful when camping to prevent man-made forest fires. Reduce your use of wood products. Buy used furniture or look for the FSC label. Stay informed about proposed drilling, mining, or logging. Consider remodeling existing homes instead of building new ones in the suburbs.